Honda presents world premiere of Honda Zero Saloon and Honda Zero SUV prototypes at CES 2025. Asimo OS, a Honda original vehicle OS. Announced for the Honda Zero series, Honda presented the world premiere of two prototype Honda Zero series models, Honda Zero Saloon and Honda Zero SUV. Honda introduced its original vehicle operating system, OS. The Asimo OS, which will be installed to Honda Zero series models. Honda will rapidly expand global application of its Level 3 automated driving, eyes-off function, through the Honda Zero series. Striving to become the world's first automaker to enable eyes-off driving in all driving situations to open up new possibilities for mobility. Honda and Renesas Electronics Corporation announced that they have signed an agreement to develop a high-performance system on chip society. For the next-generation Honda Zero series models, Honda will launch in the late 2020s. Honda will accelerate its initiatives in the area of energy service, including offering new energy service through the Home Energy Management System. Las Vegas, Nevada, USA, January 7, 2025, January 8, 2025, Japan time. Honda today presented the world premiere of two prototype models at CES 2025, Honda Zero Saloon and Honda Zero SUV. Representing two Honda Zero series models that will be introduced to global markets starting in 2026. Honda also introduced its original vehicle operating system, OS, the Asimo OS, for Honda Zero series models. Honda Zero Saloon. By further advancing the concept model introduced last year at CES 2024, the Honda Zero Saloon prototype was developed in preparation for a market launch scheduled in 2026. While maintaining the exact styling design of the concept model, the prototype model features both a low-height, sporty styling that sets the Saloon apart from other EVs at first glance and an interior space that is more spacious than people can imagine based on the exterior dimensions. The Honda Zero Saloon, the flagship model of the Honda Zero series, will be based on the newly developed dedicated EV architecture and will feature a number of next-generation technologies that will embody the thin, light, and wise development approach of the Honda Zero series. At CES 2025, Honda is focusing on introducing certain technologies and features that contribute to the wise value of the Honda Zero Saloon. This includes the highly reliable automated driving technologies backed by the Level 3 automated driving technology, which Honda put into practical use for the first time in the world, as well as ultra-personal optimization that will offer a mobility experience customized for each individual user, which will become possible with the Asimo OS. Honda Zero SUV, based on the Space Hub concept model unveiled at CES 2024, proposing the new value of EVs as a space for people that Honda wants to offer with its future EV models. Honda presented the prototype of a midsize EV SUV, which will be the first Honda Zero series model. By applying the thin, light, and wise approach to an SUV, the interior space was further increased, and a spacious cabin was achieved with an outstandingly clear and unrestricted field of view and great flexibility. As with the Honda Zero Saloon, the Honda Zero SUV will feature a wide variety of next-generation technologies which embody the thin, light, and wise development approach of the Honda Zero series. This model will offer the value of an ever-advancing space through the ultra-personal optimization and digital UX made possible by the Asimo OS. Moreover, the Honda Zero SUV will apply high-precision attitude estimation and stabilization control based on 3D gyro sensors. Technology Honda has amassed through the development of its original robotics technologies to enable dynamics at the will of the driver on various types of road surfaces. The production model of the Honda Zero Saloon is scheduled to be introduced first in the North American market in 2026, then in global markets, including Japan and Europe.